तो कैसे इम्प्रूव करते हो हर कैरेक्टर में, हर मूवी में, कि अब मुझे पिछली बार से एक एक्स्ट्रा कुछ प्रूव करना है?
It is an inherent undying need, I think. You know, it's like a natural spring. वो naturally होती है, वो lifelong होएगा. If you think and feel like that, if that is who you are deep within, it is natural to you. What is unnatural is to do something that you, हाँ ठीक है ना, ये भी कर लेते हैं. It's unnatural to do that. And sometimes I tell myself, but Shahid, after 20-21 years of work, sometimes just do something and enjoy the fact that it's coming to you for the 20 years, 21 years that you've been here. But it doesn't feel like, maybe that is not what I like. Maybe I like to, I think maybe that's true. Maybe I like to work and feel that sweat and grime of achieving something. Maybe that is what satisfies me.
Is that the reason कि you choose इतने सारे complex characters and always trying to do something different?
That's just because, you know, I have grown up on cinema and I feel that actually the beauty of cinema is in being able to show the complex dynamics of life. You know, because that it gives you that opportunity where you can take that to people. And you know, when you're in a situation, you're not able to process it. But when you're outside the situation, you have a bird's eye view. So when you're watching a movie as a viewer, I have a bird's eye view of that world. So I might have been in that situation, I might have been through those emotions. But if I can make you feel that you are seeing something that is a complex, deep emotion that you have within, and that helps you understand that about yourself, or accept that about yourself, or somebody else that you like or love, and see it in context, and then it can stay with you and it can maybe add something to your life. That is the best thing that films and cinema can do for you. You know, that is the highest level of what it has done for me. Like when I saw movies, bro, मेरे लिए तो वही हुआ ना, मैं I was like, हाँ यार ये होता है, ये इसने कैसे कर दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को ये फील हुआ, इमोशन इसने मेरे को फील करा दिया यार, ये तो मेरे को 10 साल पहले मेरे मोस्ट प्राइवेट मोमेंट में मेरे को ये फील हुआ था, और यार मैं अभी 300 लोगों के बीच में बैठा और ये मुझे वो फीलिंग हो रही है यार, इज ट्रिगरिंग दैट मोमेंट इन माय लाइफ. तो दैट इज लाइक, यू नो, यू टेक अ बबल एंड you put a pin in it and slowly it just all dissolves, you know. So it did that for me. There were so many emotions, complexities, feelings that I had. It helped me deal with them, accept them, see them with a perspective. So I want to do that as an actor now that I am in those shoes. You know, I want to do that.